Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 22 is also related expressions. It says two types of fencing are being used to construct kennels for the local dog rescue. They have 873 feet of fencing in total. The length of the second type is 6 feet less than 4 times the length of the first type. If there are 43 sections of the first type and 26 sections of the second type, how long is each type of fencing? So we have our question, how long is each type of fencing? And we have a first type and we have a second type. Since the second type depends on the first type, I will call the first type of fencing X. So X will equal the first type of fencing. It says the length of the second type is 6 feet less than, so less than means subtraction, and the word than means that I'm going to flip the beginning and the end, 4 times the length of the first type. So I'm going to have 4 times the length of the first type minus 6, and that will be equal to the length of the second type. So there's 43 sections of the first type. That would be 43 sections times the length of each one of those is x, plus 26 sections of the second type, and the length of each of those is 4x minus 6. And that will be equal to the total amount of fencing that's used, which is 873. Now I'm going to solve the equation. First I have to simplify the left side. 43 times x is 43x. Now I have a distributive property. 26 times 4x is 104x minus 26 times 6 is 156, and that's equal to 873, which is the total length. Now I'm going to combine like terms. 43x plus 104x is 147x minus 156 equals 873. And now I have a two-step. I'm going to add 156 to each side. Negative 156 plus 156 is 0. 0 plus 147x is 147x. And 873 plus 156 is 1029. Divide both sides by 147. 147 divided by 147 is 1x. And 1029 divided by 147 is 7. So the first type of fencing is X, and that is 7 feet. The second type of fencing is 4 times 7 feet minus 6. 4 times 7 is 28, and 28 minus 6 is 22 feet. So the first type of fencing is 7 feet long, and the second type of fencing is 22 feet long.